How to pause OneDrive sync. If you have been using the OneDrive application and wondering on how to pause the sync that you have did, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the OneDrive application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now here you can find on your profile at the top left corner, it is syncing the files. Now to pause it, tap on it, then tap on to settings, then tap on to camera backup, select it. Now it has been turned on. Now to pause it, simply tap on to this button right here, just like this. And by doing this, your OneDrive sync will be paused. And that's it. This is how you can pause OneDrive sync. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.